Oh, nandito kami ngayon, mga palaboy dito sa Umalquen. Hanap na kami ng mga kainan. Monday daw, Monday. Ito yung mga palaboy. Si Sophia naging palaboy na rin, oh. Hindi ko alam kung anong kalsada na itong narating namin. Bookin namin yung restaurant na yan, oh. Oh, may Monday daw dyan. Let's go! Everything is Feinstein dito, bay. So dito na kami sa Mandihan. So what you gonna eat, Sophia?
Let's see.
Today is Sunday. They only serve Sunday. Tomorrow is Monday. So there is no Monday this time. Huh? Alright, we're here. I hope they have Monday. Monday.
First, ano ba yan?
Monday, oh. Monday.